So hello everyone, this is Anmol Gira, and today we're going to solve a very interesting question, which is by the name of geometric progression. So I put up the link of the question and the solution in the description. So if you want to just directly check that, you can feel free to. Okay, so what the question says? The question says that we have basically to calculate all the geometric progressions with the ratio k is given to us, of length 3. So our task is to calculate all the geometric progression our array has. Basically we can subsequences are allowed, so it doesn't have to be continuous. It can be, it should be in order, but it doesn't need to have don't need to be continuous. Like for this example, we have given k is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5, and this is an array of length 5. Basically I have to calculate all the geometric progressions, also you can say subsequences of length 3 with the common ratio k is here is 2. So in this 1 2 4 could be 1, and 1 2 4 could be 1, and this one, then this 2 and this 4 could be 1, and this one, this 4 could be 1. So there will be a total of like 4 geometric progressions. Okay, so how can we do this? So the simplest way in which I have coded this is I have made two maps. So I'm just directly saying the solutions or discussing the solutions. So if you want to think, you can just pause the video, because the next portion is just about solutions. I'll just make the videos super quick. I don't really like to waste much time, but I have just wasted much time. So okay. So what I've done, like I've created two maps. Filled the one map. I've filled the reverse MP. One is MP and second is reverse MP. What I'm doing is, if I code an element, just remove the frequency from it. Basically what I'm doing is I'll just give you the feel of, just wait a second. Okay, so this is so this is like this, like 1 1 2 4 4. Now reverse MP has basically the count of every element. So let's suppose if I'm here, no, let's suppose, if I'm here 1 1 2 2 4 4. Let's take this example, let's erase this, and let's suppose if I'm here. So what I'm doing is, first I've updated all the values of this in reverse MP. So reverse MP has like this, something like this: 1 contains 2, 2 contains 2, 4 contains 2. I'm talking seriously about reverse MP, which is my second map. Now I'm just traversing in a loop for int I less than n. This is just a loop. What a loop is. Just like if I reach here, basically I'm just removing a count from here, AI, which is minus minus, and updating in the first map, which is MP AI plus plus. Simply now it still has the count of these elements. So reverse MP is basically storing the count of from I to n. Like if I'm at I, it is storing from I to n, and MP is storing from 0 to I minus 1. I'm making sure that ith element count is subtracted from reverse MP. Okay, that's one thing. Now what I will do is, if I have the count of, the situation is something like this. I have the count of all the elements from 0 to I. This is the ith element from 0 to I minus 1, and from I plus 1 to n, I also have the count of every element. It's like a suffix prefix, you can say, but not the exact. So I won't use that. But yeah, this is the situation. Now if my AI percentage k equal to 0, matlab if AI is divisible by k, so what I'll do is, I'll just multiply the count of AI by k into the count of AI into k. this count would be in reverse MP, and this would be in my normal map, which is MP. So that would give me the answer. So let's just do this dry run on the first test case. This is 5 2, so I'm on 5. So I'll start with 1, nothing will happen because there's no element, there's no prefix map basically. Okay, so when I'll be here, so I have 1, and this is divided by 2. No, it's not, so nothing will happen again. So if I'm here, it will be, so this is an interesting case. So I have the frequency from, let me just zoom out a bit. Okay, so I have the frequency from I plus 1 to n, which is 2 to 4, and I have the frequency of this 1 1. Okay, so I'm at 2. I'm just taking the count, I'm just multiplying the count of ai into k. Ai is 2, k is 2, so 4, the count of 4 into the count of ai by k, the count of ones. So 2 into 1, I'm adding that to my answer. And similarly for this also, 2 into 1, so the answer would be 4. So here is the code. The code is pretty simple. I just created 2 maps, C and I, just filling the entire map, then simply decrementing each element count, and if ai percentage k equal to 0, then simply reverse. I'm just adding this into the count and just like increasing the frequency of the current element, in my prefix MP wala, in my prefix map basically, and just printing the count and return, because this is void, so I have to return. Okay, that is the basic code. I think you should be able to understand this. If you're not, you can just comment it out, and I'll try my best to I'll try my best to make sure that you understand. Okay, so thank you very much.